Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you again how to simplify fractional exponents, or some say they call this rational exponents. So anyway, we just need to simplify the problem here that we have. So 81x raised to 1/4, there are two ways we can do here. Number one is we can just express this into radicals and simplify. Also, we can first, try to simplify that 81 because I think we can express that as 3 raised to 4, and then we can just convert that x raised to 1/4 into radicals. So either way, we will still come up with the same answer. So let's try first to just convert this into radical. This is equal to the fourth root of 81x. Okay, now 81 is a perfect to the fourth power root. I don't know if that is correct, but I mean we can express 81 as 3 raised to 4, right? 3 raised to 4. So that means we can simplify that 3 raised to 4, right? That gives us 3 to the fourth root of x. And that will be the final answer. So go to the next one. Okay, so here, again, let's convert this first into radical. So sixth root of 729 x raised to 3, okay, and then this is raised to 5. Now that 729 can be expressed, right, as what? What's 3 raised to what equals 729? I'm going to give you the time to think about that. That's right, it's 3 raised to 6. So 3 raised to 6, x raised to 3. And then the sixth root of that. Don't forget that 5. There you go. Distribute or multiply that 6 by 5 and that 3 by 5. Let's do that. So 3 raised to 30, x raised to 15. Now let's simplify now this radicand. Now 30 is divisible by 6, so we're fine with that. But x raised to 15 is not, right? So which means that we can express that 15 as x raised to 12 times x raised to 3. Now 12 is divisible by 6. The reason why we're looking for an exponent that is divisible by 6 is because the index is 6. So 30 divided by 6 is 5, so this will be 3 raised to 5. All right, and then x raised to 12 is now going to be x squared, because 12 divided by 12 divided by 6 is x squared. So sixth root of x raised to 3. So 3 raised to 5, what is that? What's 3 raised to 5? So 243 x squared, sixth root of x cubed. There you go. That's the final answer right here. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so we have 25x squared raised to 3 over 2. I think there's no need for us to convert this into radical because we can express that 25 as 5 squared, and we can see that the denominator is 2. Talking about the exponent, we can cancel that out and simplify this problem. So that 25 is 5 squared, and then let's multiply that by 3 over 2. And then x raised to 2, and then multiply that by 3 over 2. So we can cross out the 2. That leaves us 5 raised to 3, which is equal to 125. Cross out the 2, that leaves us x raised to 3 also. And that will be the final answer. Let's go to the, this is the last example. Let's see. Yeah, I think we can simplify this. The 16, I don't know about that x squared. Let's see. So let's distribute first the exponent. So 16 can be expressed as 2 raised to 4, right? Times 5 raised to 4. 5 over 4 rather. And then that x squared can be multiplied as 5 x squared times 5 over 4. Now we can cross out the 4 and that leaves us 2 raised to 5 only. We can cross out the 2 and the 4 and that gives us 5 over 2. So x raised to 5 over 2. Okay, since we already started our work with this, before we convert this into radical, let's try to simplify that x raised to 5 over 2 first. So what I mean by that, so let's just solve first 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5 is the same as 32. Now in that 5 in that x raised to 5 over 2, we can express that as x raised to 4 over 2, is that right? Times x raised to 1 half. Okay, now the reason why I'm doing that is because I can simplify that x raised to 4 over 2. Okay, that's the same as x squared. So the final answer is going to be 32 x squared. That's that one. And that x raised to 1 half now can be expressed as a square root of x. So here you go. That's the final answer for this particular problem.